All right, so my freezer I should say, is making this knocking noise. You can really hear it when you go to the rear of the fridge by the freezer. But when you open the door, the noise stops. And what I found is if you hold this button as if the door is closed, you can pinpoint it to being the freezer. If you actually look closely in the top, those two black boxes, you can see what's making the noise. This is with the ice box removed, of course. It does look like it's pretty frozen there with all that ice buildup. So I'm assuming that's the issue. This is a close-up of what's causing that sound. Actually looks like the fan's trying to start, but it can't for whatever reason. And again, assuming it's that ice buildup. So what I'm doing now is taking a heat gun. Could use a hair dryer if you don't have one of these, but heat gun on low and just defrosting the ice in there. You see this heat gun melting that ice pretty quick. Just want to be careful you don't melt your freezer with one of these things. Alright, so I used the heat gun to slowly clear the ice out of there. What I also didn't mention is make sure you turn your refrigerator off, just in case. And it looks like I cleared all the ice out of there. Again, there's that fan, you can kind of see in the distance back there. I got all the ice away from that fan that seemed to be getting caught on the ice. So it should be a pretty quick fix. See how it works. Sounds like it's working okay, so I'm gonna hit this button as if the door is closed. You can hear that fan spinning freely, so I think it's all set. Hopefully this helps.